Well, here I am at the Texas State Fair, and our buddy is with us, Big Tex. But Texas is known for many big things, but this happens to be a big event for trucks and fried things. So we're going to check out the Texas State Fair, and in particular, all the new announcements in the truck business, in the truck world, in Texas, at the Texas State Fair 2015 in Dallas.
Please welcome New York Times best-selling author and host creator of ESPN Emmy Award-winning Sports Science, John Brinkus.
All right, good morning. We're here at the State Fair of Texas in Dallas, where we're about to unveil the all-new Ford Super Duty, the toughest, smartest, and most capable Super Duty ever. Welcome to our live audience at the State Fairgrounds, all of the Ford employees at World Headquarters in Dearborn, Michigan, members of the media at the Ford Design Center in Irvine, California, and our webcast viewers around the world. Now, they do everything bigger here in Texas, and that's certainly true for the State Fair. More than 3 million people visit the fair each year, and one of the biggest attractions is the auto show. It's a chance for everyone to check out the newest cars and trucks. Now, Texas is truck country, which is why we brought the all-new Ford Super Duty here for its U.S. reveal. Super Duty is the undisputed #1 choice for people who need a heavy-duty truck. And we wanted to make sure that the setting for the reveal of the all-new Super Duty shows its toughness, strength, advanced technology, and capability. Among our audience of media and dealers here are dozens of Super Duty owners. Like many of you around the country, these owners count on Super Duties every day, and the folks at Ford wanted to make sure all of you were among the first to see the all-new truck.
More powerful gasoline engines. And when we say most capable, John, we mean most capable for the long haul.
All right, now, what's the significance of this truck?
John, this is one of the test mules, one of the actual vehicles that we use in testing. By the time the first Super Duty rolls off the line a year from now and into customer hands, the all-new Super Duty lineup will have been tested for the equivalent of 12 million miles. That's 20% more than the just introduced F-150.
All right, here you have it, the all-new Ford Super Duty pickup trucks and chassis cabs. All right, Doug, any closing thoughts?
John, this is awesome. We're very excited about the all-new Super Duty and what it means to our customers. We're proud of the entire team and everyone at Ford. No resting on our laurels, always challenging ourselves to innovate and keep our focus on the customer. It's a great day to be a part of the Ford team.
All right, thanks again, Doug. For Doug Scott, Brian Rathsberg, Craig Schmatz, Kristen Kucherik, and everyone here today from Ford, thank you for tuning in. Be sure to check out the highlights from today's telecast, including the full-length Tough Science frame strength video on the Ford Truck YouTube channel. There will also be additional information about the 2017 Ford Super Duty, the toughest, smartest, and most capable Super Duty ever. So long from Dallas.
Ladies and gentlemen, come on! Woo! Right over here at the Titan of Texas Challenge. Miles is definitely tight and tough. Miles, you can do it, brother. I know you can. Here he goes. Nice, he had it. All right, this is one of the toughest.
And the suspense, as you know, has been building, probably for me more than anyone else. But today, I'm proud to tell you that we will be launching the new Titan in our dealerships in December this year. And most importantly, we're not saving the best for last. We're actually launching with our best first. We will launch the flagship of our American Titan lineup, the all-new 2016 Titan XD. And this rig will be equipped with our new 5-liter V8 Cummins turbo diesel and will be the first bull out of the chute. Now the XD is the first of many American Titan configurations that will launch in the coming months. And the range of our alignment will come with 3 cabs, single cab, king cab, and crew cab, as well as 3 bed lengths, 5.5 feet, 6.5 feet, and 8 feet. 2 frames, and it will come naturally in a 4x2 and 4x4 option. And the Titan XD will differ from the Titan only because the size and availability of the Cummins turbo diesel, but also by having 3/4 ton features in a package with the feel of a half-ton truck. And Titan XD's chassis is derived from our proven commercial vehicle platform. And at the heart of the Titan XD is a 5-liter Cummins turbo diesel engine capable of 310 horsepower and 550 pound-feet of torque. Now, Cummins has already built over 1,000 of these engines at its facility in Columbus, Indiana, for our testing prototypes, which have gone extremely well. And the key attribute of the XD is that it has better towing and payload capability, along with more power and torque than a typical half-ton pickup. Without, though, the sacrifices the truckers have to make with the pure 3/4 ton pickup truck, such as a harsh ride, excessive size, extreme capability that is sometimes not used, and of course the higher price that you pay with the 3/4 ton truck. But when you're towing an identical load in a Titan XD that you would be towing in a half-ton pickup, you'll also have much greater feel and stability and confidence when you're towing your load. Now, one other thing, over my dead body was this truck going to be introduced and be wimpy. Towing will exceed 12,000 pounds and the truck will have a payload greater than 2,000 pounds. And while a typical 3/4 ton truck may have a little more torque, with our XD the customer will gain much better driving feel and value. And we expect the Cummins equipped XD will achieve fuel economy that is 20% better than a typical V8 gas engine. And that's where XD stands out. The XD is purpose-built for towing. And along with the impressive torque numbers, it will also offer a factory-installed integrated gooseneck hitch, which you can see back in our display, and a host of other features such as a trailer light check. And the XD can also handle big loads with excellent braking, towing stability, and fuel economy. And you'll notice a difference when you're pulling a horse trailer, a fifth-wheel cabin trailer, or a Texas-sized boat. Bottom line, folks, it's not too big or too much. It's not too little or not enough. It's actually just right size for many truckers all across Texas and America. It's actually the white space between, if you think about it, a 1,500 and 2,500 truck, or those two segments that many truckers have been looking for. So it's no wonder that 150,000 customers a year, get this, actually jump back and forth between the 1,500 truck and a 2,500 truck. Why? Because they simply cannot find that perfect combination of comfort, feel, capability, size, and value. But our American Titan will give them exactly what they need. And we'll offer a wide variety of equipment choices on Titan XD, from a work truck and a base S truck grade, all the way up to our luxurious Platinum Reserve, which you see on our stage right now. And while we can't discuss pricing just yet, we will be competitive within the half-ton and 3/4 ton markets. Now, looking beyond Cummins-powered XD, the next Titan to the market will be the gas XD, powered by an all-new 5.6-liter V8 gas engine. Now, this engine will be manufactured in our Deckard engine plant in southern Tennessee. And this will be the volume engine throughout our Titan lineup. Then after the launch of the gas-powered XD comes a new crew cab Titan in 2016. This will be followed by a single cab, then the king cab versions of the Titan. And here's more. Right now, what we have in the marketplace with our current Titan only covers 55% of the truck market. But once all the versions of the new Titan come to market, Nissan will actually be playing and competing in 80% of the truck market. Now, you've heard me refer to this truck as the American Titan several times already today. And why is it? I'll tell you why. It's because it was planned in Tennessee, designed in California, engineered in Michigan, tested in Arizona and Alaska, and for that matter, all across the United States. It will be built in Mississippi with gas-powered engines forged in Tennessee, and of course, the beloved and highly respected Cummins diesel engine from Indiana. And we think people are going to enjoy our truck at this display here at the State Fair of Texas.
Baby, don't you feel that? Baby, can't you hear that? That's the sound of freedom calling our name. It's telling us that all we gotta do is turn the key, and this feeling carry us away. Baby, let's ride, chase a little sunset, watch that full moon rise. Baby, let's ride, find some road where there ain't no wind inside. Let the wheels of this round truck kick up and let us while you're holding on tight. Come on, baby, let's ride. Girl, you know the night is young, no reason not to run. A few miles of memories down this road. If you don't need a map, if you start, follow that. What are we waiting on, girl? Let's go. Baby, let's ride, chase a little sunset, watch that full moon rise. Baby, let's ride, find some road where there ain't no wind inside. If the wheels of this round truck kick up a little dust while you're holding on tight. Come on, baby, let's ride. This high you got me feeling right now. Baby, let's ride. Don't look back and never come down. Come on. If the wheels of this round truck kick up a little dust while we're holding on tight. Come on, baby, let's ride. Baby, let's ride. Thank you guys so much. We love you, man. Thank you very much.
chrome grill elements, black grill inserts, and HID metal. Powertrains and materials, the right technologies. And as you can probably guess, we have no intention of resting on our success. Really appreciate you coming out to see Chevrolet this morning. Now feel free to come up and take a look at this truck, as well as the other 2016 Silverados we have out there, so you can see the unique face and strong for each of these models. Thank you very much. We've also added several advanced features to the Silverado for 2016, including 8-speed automatic transmissions for LTC C71 and high country models on not only the 6.2-liter V8, but the 5.3 as well. We have a remote power locking tailgate, wireless phone charging, and unique safety features such as forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and IntelliView automatically adjusting headlamps. And for 2016, segment exclusive power articulated side steps. They have the ability to not only power out to help you get into the cab, but they can also articulate towards The Trail Boss combines our capable Z71 package and adds aggressive, even more capable Duratrack tires, as well as Chevrolet accessory components. And it's combined with the incredible torque and fuel economy of our segment-exclusive Duramax diesel engine.
Gentlemen, please welcome Chandra Pizarro.
Thank you. Good morning. Welcome to the Chevrolet press conference here at the State Fair of Texas. I'm Chandra Pizarro. I'm the Director of Truck Marketing for Chevrolet. Chevrolet is a title sponsor of the State Fair, but that's only one example of our commitment to the Lone Star State. We've got 233 Chevy dealers here in Texas, and we've been building vehicles in the state for over 60 years. In fact, we built our top end Suburban down the road in Arlington, and we recently announced $1.4 billion in additional investment in Arlington. And the state of Texas is home to nearly 9,000 employees and 11,000 retirees. We love the state of Texas. On the way to the fair today, you may have seen some signs out there talking about the new base of strong in Texas. And that's because our 2016 Silverado has a bold new look that we want everyone to know about.
It has shown up in the sales results as well. The 200 has been the fastest growing midsize sedan in the industry last year. This year's calendar date is once again the fastest growing midsize sedan. But then earlier this year, we launched the 2015 Outlaw 2015 Chrysler 300. Our goal was to bring out the soul of that 1955 car